If you have committed any sin, confess it in anguish, you shall be consoled soon. Be careful, do not suppress narrowness or sin. If you do, it will increase gradually and quickly lead to extreme degradation. Whatever of evil you suppress within will increase. Give, but with the humbleness and without expectation. Let the door of kindness in your heart be open. To give, counting it to be kindness, is a pattern of vanity. Be graceful to him who, as master, receives your gift with humility to awaken the feeling of kindness in your heart. Encourage, console, and sympathize with him to whom you give, feeling his grief. Then, according to your ability, give with kindness. Love will be achieved, your gift will be effective. The less you drum about giving, the better you will be saved from vanity. Don't refuse to anyone who wants money, sympathy, encouragement, consolation, or sweet words. Give any you can, the heart will become soft. The desire for the good of others is the mother of one's own good. It is better to die at a toil than on the toilet. He who speaks less and does more is a first class worker. He who does as he speaks is a second class worker. He who speaks more but does less is a third class worker. And he who out of laziness neither speaks nor does is of the worst type. Run, but don't pant, and watch you don't stumble. Should you feel anger in doing any work, know for sure it is on the verge of failure. Be ready against the difficulties that arise at the time of executing a work. Don't be dissatisfied or impatient. Success will be your servant. Try and don't be gloomy, don't be sorrowful. Success must come. Delirium of distress is not a sign of the skillful. Haughty brain and vain, pompous thoughts are both signs of unsuccess.